My name is Mackenzie and I'm a Microsoft device specialist with Data3. I'm back again for another unboxing video, this time with the new Surface Pro X. Like the Surface Pro 7 and Laptop 3, the Surface Pro X comes packaged in Microsoft's brown box packaging. This packaging is great for large deployments as it reduces waste and also features an autopilot-enabled product ID barcode so organizations can easily add their devices to Microsoft Intune. The Surface Pro X brings a refined look to the Surface Pro range with a thin and lightweight design that eliminates the hard angles of the classic Surface Pro design. The chassis itself is similar in size to the Surface Pro 7 and is made from Microsoft's signature anodized aluminum. For the Surface Pro X, Microsoft has trimmed and rounded out the Surface Pro design, giving it a much more modern look while improving thinness and weight even further. Even with the type cover attached, the device still feels incredibly lightweight and can fit into pretty much any bag. The type cover I have with me now comes with the new Surface Slim Pen. The pen is revealed when you pull the type cover towards you. You'll see that a pop-up appears when you reach for the pen. This allows you to start inking straight away. And the cool part is that while the Surface Slim Pen is securely stowed within the fold of the type cover, it will actually charge wirelessly. The Surface Pro X sports a 1080p 5-megapixel front-facing camera and a 10-megapixel 1080p rear-facing camera with HDR and autofocus. The camera app is integrated with the Microsoft Whiteboard app, which means you can snap a photo of a whiteboard and the app will translate it into an image which you can edit and mark up in real time. Underneath the stand, you can use the SIM tool to reveal the removable SSD and the nano SIM tray for LTE connectivity. Surface Pro X also features an embedded eSIM, allowing users to switch between a physical SIM and an eSIM dynamically, which is excellent for traveling. And for power, all models of the Surface Pro X boast Microsoft's new SQ1 processor, a new 3 GHz Snapdragon-based ARM chipset that was co-developed with Qualcomm. On board, there is also a second integrated AI chipset that takes care of all the AI and machine learning activities that happen in many of your favorite Office 365 apps. It's important to remember that the new Microsoft SQ1 processor is not a CPU, but an SoC, or a system on a chip. Due to its very high level of integration and much shorter wiring, an SoC also uses considerably less power, which is a big bonus when it comes to mobile computing. And that's who this device is for, the mobility-focused user. This is the thinnest, lightest Surface to date, making it the ultimate Surface Pro for frequent travelers. If you'd like to learn more about the Surface Pro X or would like a demonstration, please reach out to your Data3 account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.